One calm morning in the forest clearing, the Wild Sparks Club was relaxing near their treehouse. Suddenly, knock, 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 everyone froze. "Did you hear that?" Leo whispered. The strange sound came from somewhere in the trees. Nico's eyes lit up with excitement. "A mystery," he exclaimed. Tom, always prepared, grabbed his small tool flashlight. "Let's investigate." The team bravely followed the sound deeper into the forest. Knock, knock, knock. Leo looked behind a big bush, but found nothing. Tom checked inside a hollow log, still nothing. Then, Nico pulled a listening gadget from his purple backpack. The device beeped and pointed straight toward a tall, old tree. "Up there," Nico said. Everyone looked up. High on the trunk, a woodpecker was tapping away. Knock, knock, knock. Maya couldn't help but laugh. "So that's our big mystery?" Zara smiled. "He's just building his home." Leo nodded proudly. Another mystery solved by the Wild Sparks Club. But just then, knock, a pentacle fell from the tree and bonked Nico right on the head. The whole team burst out laughing.